Kashoo Accounting App. The pros, the cons. Kashoo Accounting App is a cloud-based solution focused on small businesses and freelancers. Most people get this wrong if they think it's overly complicated. Kashoo emphasizes simplicity while covering essential accounting functions. On the pros side, Kashoo offers easy invoicing, expense tracking, and bank reconciliation. Its user-friendly interface is ideal for non-accountants, allowing quick navigation and efficient financial management. Multi-currency support, automatic transaction import, and reporting tools help keep finances organized. Kashoo also provides mobile apps for managing accounts on the go. On a con side, Kashoo may not be suitable for larger businesses needing complex workflows, inventory management, or detailed reporting. Some integrations are limited compared to competitors, and advanced features often require paid plans. In conclusion, Kashoo Accounting App is an excellent choice for small businesses and freelancers seeking straightforward accounting without unnecessary complexity. Its simplicity, core features, and mobile accessibility make it a reliable tool for daily financial management.